Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic that is about pressure. So now I want to show you how to answer. A force of 400 newtons is applied to a small piston of a hydraulic press whose diameter is 4.5 meters. What must be the diameter of the large piston if it is to lift a 250 kilograms of load? So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to know that we have B number 1, that is about the pressure of the small pistons, equals to B number 2, that is about the pressure of the large piston. So the formula of the pressure, that is about F number 1 divided by the area of number 1 equals to the force of number 2 divided by the area of number 2. So we know that this is about the piston. So that means we have the circle in here. And this is about the area on the surface on the top of the piston. So we know that they apply the force 400 Newton. That is about F number 1. So the area of this piston, we have the diameter in here. So now this one we need to find the radius. So 4.5 divided by number 2. We have 2.25. And this one we have 2.25 in here. Now the area of the small one, we will have about R square multiplied by B, and this is about the area of the circle. Now the next one, the load, that is about 250 kilograms. So we have the formula in here. So M, we have 250. G, that is about 9.8. Gravity. So we put 250 multiplied by 9.8. So A number 2, that is about the area of the large piston. So I will put about R square multiplied by B. Now we need to find about R. Later that we can find about the diameter in here. So we put R square go to the left and all the number in here go to the right. And now we have like this. Now we simplify the numbers in here. And we have 31. Now we put the square root for the both sides. And now we want to find the diameter of the large one, so we multiply by 2r, and we can put like this. And this one approximate about 11.14 meters. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.